President Draupadi Murmu has said that through spirituality, solutions can be found not only for personal life but also for many issues related to society and Mother Earth. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced an ex gratia of Rs 2 lakh to the next of kin of those who lost their lives in the road accident in Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. Cabinet chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi has approved to confer the status of classical language to Marathi, Pali, Prakrit, Assamese and Bengali languages. The government has also approved the National Mission on Edible Oil and Oilseeds for 2024-25 to 2030-31 with an outlay of 10,103 crore rupees. The Union Cabinet has approved the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana or the PMRKVY to promote sustainable agriculture and the Krishnati Yojana to achieve food security for agriculture self-sufficiency.